bring your dreams them to life, pretty girl. Bring it tight, tight to me. You bring it tight, tight to me. Hey, you desire. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Anike. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's April 2nd, Autism Awareness Month, and Autism Awareness Day. So shout out to my papa. I love you so much, my baby. Unconditional love for you and you always. So my birthday is next month, and me and Kimani, we're going back to LA. We're going back to LA because he went over to LA so bad. He kept saying that from last year. I'm not gonna lie, because I miss what's his name? What's it called? In-N-Out Burgers. I booked the same hotel that we stayed at last time. It's like 2 blocks away from the hotel, In-N-Out. So yeah. And for his birthday, I'm gonna take him to the Rush Hour restaurant. I did book the ticket already. We're gonna leave here in the nighttime because I was trying to get the cheaper tickets, and baby. Anyways, so we're gonna get there the day of his birthday, which is in the morning. But I feel like I'm gonna let him take a nap first before we even go outside, because LA is like 4 hours behind. So we good. We're gonna get there probably like we're gonna get there 8:50, but I'm saying like we're gonna get to the hotel probably 10:30, 11. So it's gonna be okay for him to take a nap, and then we just get ready for him. Then he if he wants to take a nap, it's up to him. And then we just go to the Rush Hour restaurant. What's it called again? I forgot the name of it. I don't know the name of it, but that's what I'm taking him for his birthday, to go eat. This right here smells amazing. Oh my god. The way how we got in here smelling good. It smells like I'm on the freaking beach. Like, it smells like sea breeze. It smells, I mean, it's coconut coast. It says ocean breeze. You see? Coconut and musk. I honestly didn't even see that. But look. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing. Walmart. I got bun. They have Miss Birdie. Honey bun. I didn't even know. Honey bun have a bun? I didn't even know they have that. Maxfield. I think I tasted that one before. Never really HDB kind of dry for me. I like that. I think National is the best one. And the price is on the wall. I'll go down of the Captain Bakery bread. Put one at the bottom because it's soft. Look how it look. Why don't it look so? Why don't it look? It's a robust. Hold on there. They have sugar bun. Wait. So not sugar bun meat, that's cold. So now I'm not sugar funny. I don't want that. Butter bread. I don't know what that is. Good snack for y'all. I came in Telco to see if they have any boxers, but they don't have no good boxers. They thin. So I'm gonna go back to the store I went to the other day and get it. Telco. I ain't been here in so long. You wanna know something? Oh, that goes for big. Yo, hotel is freezing, yo. It's fucking friggin' cold. You ain't nothing but a thing. You know what's crazy? I got on the wrong bus. So the 83 and the Q3 pulled up at the same time, and I'm thinking it's 283. I went on the wrong bus. So I'm all the way over here on Jamaica Avenue and 68 place. Well, yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm like, damn. I noticed I was on the wrong bus when it made a turn. I'm like, this don't look familiar. And I looked up, it says 2-3. I'm like, oh my god. But it's cool because I'm walking up to the Jamaica flavors with the one patties. Yeah, patties too. And I wanted to go to the bank, so I'm fine. I came up on the last stop down here. Yo, it's cold out here. Like, it's freezing. Oh, look at right there. It's freezing. Oh my god, yesterday was so hot. And I was like cold, like a freaking, it's like below 50 degrees. It's cold. Like, how I didn't know it was Merritt Boulevard right here. Like, I feel like I missed this sign. I don't know. Because how the hell, I'm just not seeing it. Maybe I don't be paying attention. It's cold, bro. It's freezing. I just came in Foot Locker just to see what they have. I like this for Kimani, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I'm just looking around. His birthday next month. I'm trying to see. You don't have nothing like this, so something like this. That's nice. But something like this would be good for him. This is gray and blue together. Or even that one. No, he got something black already. Yeah. This is nice. Oh, I love this. This is cute. I might get this for myself. Might. But not right now. Probably come back. When I come back, they don't have it, right? I like this though. This is really nice. It's like dark gray and green. I'm gonna go. I don't need nothing here. I'll just window shopping. This is nice though. This color. This brown. We're going in the Primark, see if they have any sweaters. And if they do, I'm gonna give me like one or two. The most, probably one. I'll show in VIM. Should go to VIM over there and see what they have. Should I just go? Oh, can't go to walk around, man. But I come back over here and soon. I'm gonna go see what they have. I'm just looking around. I don't know if I know anything. I think I got a sweater. These are too colorful. Too colorful. I need like a solid color. Why is it so colorful in here? Look what I see when I'm walking by. I'm about to get these. It's actually full. Can't beat this. Wedge. Oh, this is cute. This is actually cute. I like this sweater. $4.99. That's a cute ass sweater. However you want it. I love this jacket. Is so freaking cute. Look at it. Oh look, no boundaries. So that's all in Walmart, huh? Tell your boyfriend don't be mad at me. Oh, I see the price right there. $10 off. So I don't know should I get this sweater. I don't got large. But where am I wear this go? I don't really need it because I ain't going nowhere else. And I cannot wear this in the summertime. So I'm gonna just leave it. I don't need it. I mean I could buy it for next year, but oh, that's cute though. You can't be too loud. Hello. Oh, good. How are you? Huh? It's thin. I don't get too many soda. I gotta get my thick soda. I just opened the store. But I want these wipes. Like beach shorts. I wanna go to the beach. No chance. Oh, these are $1. Yeah, not afraid of this one. Oh, it's cute. After this, we're gonna get the patties and we out. Cause I don't got time for this weather. I just want to see if they have any friggin' it's warm in here, yes. Freaking warm. They got different colors. They got dark gray. I don't know what color this is. What color is that? Probably maroon or something. I think I'm gonna get a dark gray. This pink. These are $9. What? What's the difference? Oh, these are crew necks. Oh, these are like Kamani. I might actually have sweaters that he haven't worn yet. Wait. I get navy blue? I'm either gonna get navy blue or the dark gray. So medium. I might get this color. I like this color. The navy blue. I don't know what color to get. You get navy blue? I gotta figure out which one I want. Damn, I don't wanna get two. Should I get two? Oh, they got pants, sweatpants on sale. I'm about to get Kimani too. Gotta figure out the color though, but I'm gonna definitely get him two of them. Smell this. Oh, this smells good. I don't need no more perfumes. I'm good on the perfumes. Oh, this one smells really good. Oh, no, I'm not buying no more though. Like, Mickey. Oh, this is cute. Baby bag. Love the smell of the patty, man. Hungry. I'm getting two. I can I have some spinach? No, hallelujah patty. Okay, spinach. All right. I need to say spinach. I love when they got these markets. I don't even need nothing. Oh, they got a mango. Yeah, you don't smell sweet or nothing. I don't need nothing. Back to the hook. Tired. I have to go and I still didn't cook it yet. I'm gonna cook it this Sunday for sure. You know, I let my peas soaking for like a week now. So, oh, Jollibee. It's been a while since I had Jollibee. Nah, I had oatmeal this morning, so I'm not even gonna mess that up. Back. 2 minutes. So let's go. Let's go. All right. Let me the other side. I'm finally home, and I love these. I don't know, the duplex one tastes good too. The one with the chocolate, like the vanilla and chocolate together. That's what it's called, duplex. But I rather this one instead. It tastes way good, better than the other one to me. I got the cherry pineapple. Last time I got pineapple. I had to get the. It seems like it kept in, but them go through the rough time during shipment, because if it's syrup, so it was like rubbed out. I'm like, what the hell? But anyways, I did have to get this. This was $6. This wasn't bad. This was $6.23. See? Yeah, there's a list. And the saltfish was $7.59. I was gonna get it because I bought the boneless one from Food Bazaar the other day. But I said, you know, I'm gonna get it because I can make some cabbage and saltfish together. And yeah, because I'm like, it's a long time I haven't had that. So with food, like with dumpling and banana. And this was so expensive. I want listen, if I go to Food Bazaar and it's cheap, I'm gonna be so mad. Because why is it $16? Like, Tasty is really expensive with the cheese, man. Like, this shit is. And then this is how much? $18. They had a smaller version. I don't know why I didn't take the smaller one. That one was probably gonna be $10. I should have bought that one instead, but whatever. I'm not gonna go over there for now, so that's my thing. And this I'm about to use on the corner right now. Wipe that off. Wipe that dirt off. Get away from me. I love that she said that part. Her accent is cute. I'd rather be alone. Let me show you guys. Yeah, cause listen, one thing about me, I'm over my bag. Because why is Primark bag $250, $230 or $250, whatever. I was like, no, I don't need a bag because I know I have one of them bags in here somewhere. I bought one before. The last time I went there, I bought one. I'm like, I have a bag. So yeah, I got the navy blue sweater. I was gonna get the dark gray, but I'm like, I just got this one. And I got one pants for Shimano because honestly, the colors they have there, I feel like you might have most of those colors there, except for the light colors. I didn't want to get the light colors because they dirty. I know they was gonna get dirty too quick. And I'm like, ugh. So I only got one. I only got him one. I got him this color. He don't have this color. These are good price for these sweatpants. $10, but $9 I should say. But I cannot wait to taste the chiffon butter. Wait, with the braid. I cannot wait to try it with the braid. Cause honestly, I don't remember how it tastes. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a while since I had it. I don't remember how it tastes. I don't even want to. It's been a while since I had Captain Brady bread too. It's been a while since I had this bread. What bread I be eating when I go to Jamaica? What bread do we buying? I think they buy the bread from the shop. I don't think it's Captain Brady because. Oh, it is. Wait. Oh. Maybe it's not sliced. I just noticed it's not sliced. So I gotta cut it myself. I don't remember the bread they be buying. I don't think it's this one. Because I haven't had this one in a long time. It's maybe National. I think it's National. Because I haven't had this bread in so long. Like, honestly, the last time I remember going to Captain Bakery was with my mother. I remember me and my mother went to Captain Bakery. Was Kimani there too? I think so. I think that's how long I ate. I had Captain Bakery, but Captain Bakery, because I think they said it's expensive. No, wait. I bought it one time when I went down there too. I was like, they're like, because I said I wanted that bread. Because they're like, oh, you want that bread? Alright, I think that was the same time. I'm trying to remember if it was the same time or a different time. Because I'm like, yeah, I want that bread. I like that bread. It's like it's expensive. I'm like, I want it. That's about it. I'm gonna go to eat a patty. Oh, I love my patties. 2 patties. You know what's crazy? Oh yeah, right here, like my top teeth, like the gum part, like the top is. I was trying to eat the patty on the train when I got on the train, and I couldn't even bite it because it was numb. The whole thing was numb. It's still full of numbs right now. Let me see. Let's try. I'm watching home again because I touched all this stuff. I don't like germs, man. I'm gonna warm it in the air fryer, but I want to see if I could bite it. So I was trying to bite it on the train, and I could not. See, spinach. I keep saying spinach. Callaloo. All right, my back now, amigo. No, I'm gonna break it. Because for some reason it's so hard for me to bite it. Oh my god, I can't pull it. Oh. I just on this side, but this side is numb. Am I supposed to swallow it? No. I just want to look farther than this one. I'm waiting here for. Yeah, I can eat my back teeth right here. The other one, I can do right here. I don't know why. Yeah, I was gonna buy bag juice, but I chose not to. But this is $3. I keep forgetting how expensive this shit is. This is $3.11. I don't even buy a drink up here for $3. Like I'll keep the drink. If I'm getting juice, I'm gonna get the Arizona, and that's $1 or $1.50. But I'm not. I don't pay for $3 for drink. I don't do that. What is this? $3. Let's go to the Jamaican. You see? I don't want to support my people. But I'm not doing this. But sometimes I go over there and give me a whole case of bag juice. Yeah. I don't know the price for it, but that's what I'm putting in the freezer. I'm not going to do right now. Yeah. I don't know the price for it, but that's what I'm going to get. That's saltfish. I'm so happy to get the real saltfish. Smell exactly like Jamaican saltfish. It's not exactly stuff in the yo. $7. You can get like free cooking on that, so me alone. You probably don't usually shopping in here. Because I never give it to him. You know what? I'm gonna give it to him with some rice. Put down cabbage and carrot, the saltfish, and I'm gonna give it to him. See if he don't like it with rice. He don't like dumpling. I don't know. He just don't like the consistency of the dumpling, I guess. But I remember one time when I was in Jamaica, my aunt did give it to him and he ate it. That was like he was way younger though. So I tried to give it to him after that. He don't like it. So I don't know. Well, the flour down there is different from this one too. So that's the thing. That's a different thing. But he did eat one time down there. His mom was not playing with him. Mom was like, she was like, eat this one. You're too picky. Like she noticed how picky he is, and I had to tell her like, Audrey, you know, he's autistic. He don't eat everything. So I was like, yeah, but you need to try it. He tried it and he did like it. I forgot what chicken she cooked with. I think it was maybe stew chicken, and he did eat it. But the flour from here in Jamaica is 2 different flours, so it's, you know, I don't know. But I'll give it to him with rice. I don't even think. What about fried dumpling? I think he ate festival. Yeah, he ate festival before for sure. Fried dumpling. He did. I don't think he liked that either. I'm gonna try to give it to him again. If he don't like it, then that's it. I'm not gonna force my child to eat what he don't want to eat. I'm gonna try to give him fried dumpling again. I'm try to give him the cooked dumpling and see if he liked it. I think the really cooked dumpling is not. It's like fresh, even with salt, because I can't put a lot of salt in there. So, and you know what? I'm gonna try to give it to him with curry chicken and see if he liked it. Cause he loves curry chicken, like me, like I said, like that's our favorite. So if I give it to him with curry chicken, maybe he liked it. Yo, it's crazy. Like my mom looks totally different for real. Like compared to not having braces. Oh my god. I don't care. I'm still doing my videos. Nothing's gonna stop me from doing these videos. Okay? It's weird though. It's like, man. If it's on different, if it's on. I don't know. Anyways, we gotta do what we gotta do. But yeah, look at this. It's so big. It's 110 wipes in there, yo. Where's 110? That's a steal for $2. You can't beat that. I'm like, oh, walking past. I'm like, oh, let me get this, cause I feel like Queens is a little bit cheaper than, well, on that side of Queens. I feel like it's cheaper than Brooklyn. I was on Jamaica Avenue. I did go on Jimmy Drive, but I was window shopping. Ain't not much in there that I wanted. But Jimmy Drive or Foot Locker? Yeah, Jimmy Drive. Yeah. After I came out of Foot Locker, I went to Jimmy Drive. It's a lot, right? It's a pure, right? But I don't know. I don't know what pure smells, so I don't know if it's the real thing. But the lady, another lady came there, the cashier. She's like, oh, she bought two. She's like, she bought one for her house and one for her work. The people told they got her job is cheap, so she's like, she's gonna bring one to work and leave it there. So she's like, oh, she hopes it's a real one, because sometimes they, you know, they put out there the real one. It's not. I don't know if it's a real one, girl. Let me see. Maybe it is. I don't know about pure it smell right now. Oh, see my counter. Oh, nice though. See that counter, real good. Kill all that germs. So it might be the real thing. I ain't even gonna lie. It don't rip or nothing. So I'm gonna edit that Bow Wow. Well, I'm looking at that first, and I'm gonna edit the Bow Wow part 2 of the concert, which is Bow Wow and B2K, and then I'm gonna post that tomorrow, cause I didn't want to post so much the whole thing. I really didn't. So I'm like, you know what? We gonna do part 2. Yeah, the concert was good though. Everybody did their thing. I forgot to do a review, but everybody did their thing. Like I really didn't know much. What's the name? B5. I think I only know one of these songs, and I was like, oh, I heard this one before. That's the only song I know. I don't know no B5 song, but that one. I forgot the name of that one. But everybody else, Young Jock. I went on his page like before I went to the concert. I went on his page like I think a week before, and I'm like, I see that he was. I am following him though, but I see that he's back to eat. He said he was eating oats. Like oats is really the thing for your stomach. Like it really does. And then plus working out, of course. Because I used to do that too. I used to eat oats in the morning. I would do overnight oats and just eat in the morning, but not every day though. Of course, I'm just saying I used to do it last year and I stopped. But one thing about oats is going to shrink that tummy. You know, it's a good source of fiber. and carbs, so it's gonna shrink your stomach. And plus I put bananas in mine. So yeah. So I did it the night before and I did it last night. So I'm gonna do it again because I'm trying to finish these bananas before they get spoiled. Because one thing, these are the organic bananas. I'm trying to use these up before they get spoiled. I really forgot that I had oats up there. I'm like, yo, I need to start doing my overnight oats. Let me tell you, I was gonna do the place Saturday. Okay, so what, fourth? Is it fourth? And the banana here, I got my Shein package. I just relaxed my hair. I washed it. Just literally just came out of the shower, and I'm like, let me go get my package before I eat. I'll make some ribs here, but I'm gonna open my bun and cheese. And here's the cheese right here. So see, this is the time, 5:45 p.m. and I gotta cut this bun. Get one. Oh yeah, something. I'm gonna use a small one. I don't feel like using a big one. I wash my face is not moisturized or nothing. I'm hungry. I eat all day. All I have is a smoothie. I can eat smoothie. I eat all day. I have a bigger knife than that. This one. I'm gonna use this one. I'm thinking, I'm like, listen, girl, you forgot you got razors. You really should have got the smaller bun to this because see how big the bun is. How you call this cheese again? Look, the bun, you're not really that big, you know? It's the box. It's really not that big. What's the problem? Oh, I'm like, why isn't it lifting up? Look. Alright, so I'm not going to get in the pan because I have this cover right here. But I'm gonna do this. Why didn't see? Look, why didn't see this like this? Half time. Here. You do half time. So we're gonna cut it like that. I think National got the best bun. I think I say this all the time. I don't care about no other bun, but National bun. Yeah? Yeah. Know me. I'm gonna cut like 4 slices. I'll eat one right now. So know me later on. I'm gonna come back. I just, you know what? I'm gonna leave it. I was gonna cut it, but no. It's gonna be hard. You know, I got time for that. Okay. I'm gonna find some way to fold it up like this and put it in a box so it won't stay hard. You know Dale Elliott, the comedian guy on Instagram, the Jamaican guy. He I saw a video of him cutting the soft part of the bun off. Like, what are you doing? Like, he cutting off this part and then he eat it. Like, what? I don't want that. Who eat bun like that? That's weird. Oh, this bun's soft and nice. Of course, I'm gonna put a lot of bun in, a lot of cheese. Come on, or something. All right, this is kind of thick. I'm about to cut it in. This could be just slice it in a few pieces. Cause you know I don't find me no cheese. If I had bought a smaller bun, I would have had cheese left over. So I guess I've got the right size. Yeah. See, I cut this in 4 pieces. That is enough. That is enough. You see? That's how you eat your bun and cheese. Me love to push it up. Oh, it's gonna be so hard to eat. But whatever. downfall about this braces thing. Every time you eat, you gotta brush your teeth. Every time. This is a tablecloth for this month. Well, the table runner. It don't really fit. It go right here. But whatever. I thought it was gonna be big enough. I thought about the right size, but anyways, I'm tired. I just came from the market. And these I cleaned yesterday. I wiped and everything yesterday. I just came from the laundromat. I'm so tired. This I got from Timo. This part is supposed to be right there, and this supposed to be over there. But I didn't move the other one over there yet, so that's why. I don't know. I'm lazy because look, all them shoes over there. That's why. But I'm gonna move it tomorrow and put this there and put that over there. These is what I got from Dollar General. Tissue. I just stock up. And these, I love these, and yeah. And razors, $1. This is from Dollar Tree. I just bought a small one because I'm gonna go to Walmart. I was gonna go to Walgreens. Walmart side, I'm gonna get a big one, so I just bought a small one because I ran out and I need mouthwash. It's like a must-have to have. And yeah, that. And this is what I bought from Food Imperium because I was gonna put some curry goat today, but I'm already tired. I think I'm just gonna cook tomorrow because I did. I'm at walking me do a while ago. I am not in the mood unless I rest for like 2 hours. But right now, I'm just not in the mood to cook. But yeah, I had to get some rice because my rice and peas. Yeah, I just put some wings that's already seasoned. That's what it's seasoned with. But I'm just gonna I was gonna wash it up, but I'm not even going to bother. I add a little bit of my seasoning on there, like my Jamaican seasoning. I'm not gonna fry everything. I just wanted some fried chicken with my curry goat, so that's why I bought that one. Yeah, that's about it. But we're all me tired. I cannot cook right now. My body, no matter what can me do, I'm tired as hell. I need a nap. I might eat some more bun and cheese. I'm gonna show you how much. I probably have, it's giving half amount left. Still have no cheese left. I really should have bought the small one though. I said it's half. What do you think? A little bit more than half. I don't know. I feel like I should have just left and I should have got the small one for sure. Next year I'm not buying this big one. I'm gonna see it. I was gonna go to the gym too. I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow when I come from work. Rest for like 2 hours before I go. Yeah, we're gonna go to the gym tomorrow for sure. It's been a minute since I go to the gym. Yeah, so these bananas, this was $2.45. I forgot how much a pound it was. Let me see. Oh, 99 cents a pound. Oh no, that's the. Oh yeah, it's 99 cents a pound. I don't be passing the supermarket with 69 cents a pound. Damn. Oh, whatever. Next time. Listen, I'm gonna give you banana chips away. I can't eat this. I cannot eat these banana chips. I have like 2 of these. I'm a police button. I swear to God, yo, if many know say people are not give me a versus the same day. Oh my God, I'm like the whole of them already. The police button. I want to eat it with milk, with some Milo or something. Some guys see ya. I'll fuck out stuff. See, maybe I have 2 this. I haven't tried this yet. The chocolate mix, the last chocolate mix. I cannot believe, yo, I swear. I could have told them, I don't know. To be honest, I was eager to get it, and then I'm like, I could have waited like another week. But I just wanted to get it over with. But if I, like I said, if I knew I couldn't eat, it's gonna be so hard to eat this. When does it expire? August 17, 2026. I gotta wash these off. I'm gonna leave this in the sink and I'm gonna take a nap. Cause baby, I'm tired. I need this. My come taste this. I'm honest to figure out Captain Bakery taste. So when I leave this, I'm gonna come get the Captain Bakery with the chiffon butter. It's still soft. I felt, oh yeah, very soft. Oh my god, this sounds like these if my mom was here, bro. My mom would love this right now. Like, oh, life. People in life, man. Listen, y'all gotta go shopping Dollar General. Dollar flat. And I got another, this paper towel over here is finished, and I got another one up here. This one up. I have a stock up on tissue, you gotta stack up. I hate running out of stuff. Now I gotta go to Dollar Tree tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, Friday, my earliest day. Hold on. So this is a pot we're gonna cook the curry goat in. I never used this pot yet, you could tell, because the handle's not burnt compared to this one. This is the rice and peas. Well, the peas, I should say. Curry goat right here. You know, when I was outside yesterday, I forgot to get pepper, hot pepper. This is the time. So hopefully I finish by 12. I should, right? Not put enough oil in there because curry goat, they on oil already. Using grace, because I love me some grace curry. Oh, wait a minute. The peas is cooked already, so I'm gonna pour the powder in. Let it boil, and then I add the rice. I can mix it up. I'm gonna wash the rice right now. Alright, so we're about to add the water. Add the water to this now. Let it cook down. Look at my damn mat. Oh my god. The damn spoon drop on the floor, better. I'm pissed. Oh, damn it. They put the skeleton time in there already. So throw the rice in. Ooh. A little mix. We're at the gym. Like I said, I did like almost 170. I just came down here like 15 minutes ago.
To believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need that.
It's like a bootleg Chipotle spot. It's cute though. Walmart. Now they're selling the Wodak sauces in the bottles. Hey y'all. So I came to show y'all what I got from Walmart yesterday. I didn't get much because I don't need much. Thank you God. So I got some avocados, onion powder, black beans. I did buy brownie, but I ended up lifting it over there accidentally. I bought savory because I need it. I bought the value size. Mouthwash. And I bought this. End up buying this because last time I went to the Walmart, I had bought the glue. The got to be glue. Show y'all. It doesn't hold down the. I don't know why, and I be tying it down. I don't know why I don't hold it down, but this, I know for a fact the spray is way better than the glue. So this is $7, and the only reason I bought this instead of the spray last time because they didn't have the spray, obviously, because I wouldn't ever buy this. Somebody gave me a yellow one last time though, like the yellow one, but it was like with flex seed or something like that. That one smells really good and it works, but I didn't see it there. I thought I bought that one. Yeah, I bought some lemons. This is some Dollar Tree for the laundry with a toilet thing. Put in the toilet tank. And I finally bought a planter for my plants. Finally, I was gonna get one from Walmart, but I saw this in Dollar Tree, and I've been selling Dollar Tree over here. I just never got it because I was gonna say I was gonna go to Walmart and see if they have anything better. But I like this. It's not bad. I only got one plant. I'm good. I ain't gonna go with the. Yeah, I'm gonna make some eggs and spinach. 3 eggs and spinach. Okay, so one thing I'll be messing up with avocados. It's like I'll be having them on the table, and then it's like when they get ripe soft, I'll put them in the fridge because I don't want them to spoil. But I'm having the heat on and off, and not on this side, the heat on that side, by the living room side. But I noticed that when I put them in the fridge, it's spoiled. So I'm like, no, I'm gonna keep them in the fridge from now on because I'm got time. I'm gonna see if this thing holds. It should hold. I forgot I need the fake grass and stuff. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree and get some. Or order some of Shein or something. I don't know. Today is April 12th, and I'm gonna make oxtail for dinner. Probably some brown rice. This is oxtail I'm gonna finally make today. Yeah, I don't know how many pieces in there, but we'll do a meal prep because I'm not eating. Yeah, I'm gonna do a meal prep for the week because I'm not cooking for the rest of the week. Also, here for some wings. The wings I bought the other day. I have cooked some with the curry goat. I have fried some, like I think 4 pieces. Yeah, so I'm gonna air fry the rest, all of this actually, so I can put it with my meal prep. I have to go open, but I have to close it because it's a little nippy. It's a little cold. I had it open for a while though. But yesterday was locked up most of the day because the whole day yesterday was locked up. So I got up this morning. I opened it. Well, I didn't get up this morning. I got up at 12. I was tired. Listen. Oh yeah, I forgot my freaking smoothie cup at work. It was Friday. I brought smoothie to work for my breakfast. Then I didn't eat nothing for the rest of the day. And when I came home, I ate the rest of the because I prepped 2 leftover plate of curry chicken and rice and peas. So I ate that. I ate one when I came home from work, and I ate the one when I came home last night. So that's what I'm saying. The rest of the I had a little bit more curry left. That's how I could oxtail today because I don't want much curry. And not saying I'm tired of eating it, but it's only a couple days to eat the curry chicken. The curry for. But it's not much anyway. It's just a little portion less. But yeah, I forgot my smoothie cup at work, so now I gotta wait till tomorrow to make a smoothie when I come home. Because I'm gonna make a smoothie when I come home. Oxtail is seasoned and gonna be marinating for a couple hours because I'm not cooking it right now. It's a good amount of pieces in there, so finito. Hey y'all, today is April 16th. So I'm finally gonna cut my Captain Bakery bread. I'll put the rest of the bun in the freezer. I'm tired of eating bun and cheese. And the summer is coming. I can't with the big belly. I can't bother. Even though I'm gonna eat bread right now. Yeah, I'll put the rest in there. I'll probably leave that shit in there for next week. Next year. I don't know. Maybe I eat it before, in the winter time. Yeah, because I'm not gonna go into the whole year. The whole year to eat bun and cheese. I mean, I'm not gonna keep it to next year, I should say. The last I ate pizza yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? The day before. And I'm like, I'm tired of eating bun and cheese. Well, it's not a big piece, I'll show you. Let me put it in the freezer. See there? Tie you up. Because I'm tired. We need cheese. It's not a lot of cheese. So, oh, my box of drinks. Forget about my box of drinks. But look, see cheese there. That's all that cheese left. Look at that cheese left. But look at that cheese. So yeah, I'm gonna save it until winter time. And I'm putting the bread slice. I mean thin. Yeah. You're gonna be thin slice. I should be eating one bread. But no, I'm eating a sandwich. We're gonna put the chiffon butter on it. I forgot how it tastes and I forgot how it smells. Smell like real Jamaican butter. It's so hard. I had it in the back of the fridge. So that's probably why it's so hard. Jaja. I feel like I'm in that home. I eat butter and bread. This was $8. $8 for the butter, yeah. I'm not bad again. I don't spend too much money on butter. I really don't. I don't want to spend freaking $4. Must be $3. But parquet, I think parquet is around that price. But I'm gonna spend $8, you see? Because this is what I want to support my people. But I will not do this again. One time and one time only. Please. $8 for butter. I'm gonna Jamaica and pick up, man. I don't, is it the same price? What's $8 US in Jamaica? I don't even know. I got a smoothie right here. I'm gonna eat with it. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow come forward, my gym. Maybe, yeah. Cause yesterday I work. Oh my god, my body. Oh, yesterday I worked 9 to 10. That's 13 hours. I got a break in between 30 minutes. I was tired. Yeah, I mean all the floors. Yeah. All right, let's see how this bread tastes. Yeah, I left out here from 8 something. Started work at 9 a.m. and left at 10 p.m. But yeah, let's try this bread. It's a bread front. I thought me the bread front, you know. I'm getting more comfortable eating my braces now. The first 3 days, oh child, it was so hard. But you know, something for eating my butter and cheese. Please. All right, my smoothie right here. It's thick. I need how much milk. My milk is finished. It's blueberries, strawberries, apples, and bananas, and it's thick. Oh, and chia seed. That's so thick. I'm not even finished blending it up. Okay. So I toasted the bread. And I got my smoothie. I did use water, even though I didn't really want to. But I really wanted a smoothie this morning. So, yeah. Morning, y'all. I got coffee. So hot, it's good. I used to even hazelnut creamer, but I did this blueberry coffee that I bought from Walmart. Was it beginning of the year? Or probably last year, I don't remember. I think it was last year. I'm so tired. I should go to work tomorrow, but I said no, because my body's tired. I need rest. I'm grateful for a job. I'm thankful for my job, but you should see your body. Your body needs rest. Because that shift from 9 to 10 I did the other day, ooh, that's a lot on my body. How you doing now? I got my puzzle book. I've been doing puzzle for like a couple months now. And I'm on page, this is my second book. I'm on page, I think I started, when was it, last year? Last month or the month before? I think it was last month. 56. So I'm up to page 56. And I dated. I report at work. Ain't shit to do. So I bought a puzzle book from Dollar Tree. I need to go back to reading books. It's been a while since I read a book. You know what? I'm gonna read that book that I got one time on a date. I never still didn't read that book. Gotta read it. Let's see how they do. I look last night, but it's so sliding. But this is how it looks. The Citrus Mojo. Oh, it smells really good. So I'm gonna eat it with the blue cheese. This is really good. Wow. I like how this tastes. This tastes really very, very citrusy for real. Got a little bitter taste because of the citrus, but not bad. I give it a 9. Look at this pot set. This pot set they got here. So I love this color. It's giving burgundy, but it's like a darker version, I think. Ceramic. It's a clip-on handle. It's right here. You got this color too. See the pots on the side? That's cute. So it's 1, 2, 3. One cover, one handle. So I was gonna get this one, but I saw these. This one smells really good, and I don't think I bought this one before. I'm not sure. It smells really good, and it's springtime, so yeah. But look at these cute ones over here. Cute containers. Farm stand tomato. How does that smell? Let me see. Oh, this is like the other one I just picked up. Pink apple peony. Hold on. Let me see if it smells like that one. Similar. No, mama, finger. My hand got. My hand got I was digging my bag in my pocket. Oh, I can't explain it now. But anyways, strawberry breeze. This one smells really good. All right, this is one of my favorites. Some of the farm stand tomato. It's not bad. I'm going. Cute little mat. $68. Damn. That's cute too. Howdy. The olive tree. This is so cute. Oh, it's ottoman. It's really cute. What's the price? $68. Oh, look at these shirts. They got Britney, Shania Twain. Who behind her? Spice Girls. Who's this in the blue? Oh yeah, Backstreet Boys is right here. I love this. This is a nice top. If I also go to the concert, this would be a nice top to go with. But they want you to wear, I don't know why they want you to wear all white to the concert. Wait. I would wear. I have an outfit in mind already. I'm thinking about going. Okay. How much is the Backstreet Boys shirt? Oh, the vintage shirt is $10. The Backstreet Boys is how much? I don't see the price. Okay, all of them is. I don't see NSYNC. Where's NSYNC? NSYNC is finished. Good look. Well, I don't see the Backstreet Boys. What's the price for that? Bro, come on. It's a nice pop top. Oh, I love this Britney top. I love the color. This color is. Oh, look at this. Look at this on the thing. Oops, I did it again. I should buy this top. It's $10 and Shania 22. Let's go, girls. I love this one. I'm not gonna lie. But that one is cute. Look at this bacon. I ain't never seen this like this before. Look at the price. $7. It's like thick cut bacon sliced like that. Oh, I didn't see this one over here. Wow, that's a lot of bacon. It's a lot of fat too. That's crazy. That should say $14. Wow. I need to get some turkey bacon. Maybe I'm not gonna buy the bacon. My bacon not finished. Oh, smoked sausage. I'm gonna try this sausage. I think they're always getting this one. I want to cook chicken because he wants chicken for dinner, but this one, yeah, he got his Oreos. I can't. I don't know. Whatever, man. I tried. Polished Khalifa with pork, chicken, and beef. That one is beef. So we're gonna try that one. Look at this. Walmart got new burgers. Well, I'm not buying it. This I just saw it. Just caught my eye. Oh, it throw it up. Kimani singing. It's Kimani singing Rihanna for me. Look at that phone. This is different. I know I saw this before. I don't think no cake though. Like, 19 grams of sugar. I mean, of course you're not gonna get all of it at once, but still a lot of sugar. They got red velvet over here. How come I never see they have black forest cake or nothing? Why am I no good cake mix, you know? I still have this in my thing, and I did not bake it yet. Cause I'm not trying to make it right now. And I still had this with Kimani, cause I bought from Dollar Tree. This will be that for him, but I'm gonna make it for him. Forget, cause they got the white one. Because I have it there, might as well. No sugar. You don't need no sugar.
I'm sorry.
What you need sugar for?
You need sugar.
What you need it for?
And give me my sugar.
What you need sugar for?
You need sugar.
For what?
Right now.
Come on, and look at the bag you're choosing. Listen to me, boy. They got small one right here. You see this? But you don't need no sugar. Your father has sugar already. You don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. Come on. What you need it for? Tell me why you need it.
Tell me what I need.
Why you need sugar for?
Why you sugar for? And daddy, your father?
Your father. Your father don't need sugar. He got sugar already.
Sugar, yeah.
Yeah, but not last time, but the time before, and I'm pretty sure he didn't use all of it yet. Come on, he good. He don't need no sugar. This is the car right here. I might buy these shirts. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna get it. I might just get it. My first time seeing this. Never saw this before. I don't want no ramen though. I'll say this. I might get it. I don't know. I might just get the fresh ginger instead of getting this, because I went for the beetroot and I saw this one instead. It was cheap though. I think it was $5 or $4 something. Look at this bread, this sesame bun bread Walmart got. It's just cute. I say everything is cute, but I like how it looks. Oh, they got this one right here. This is worth it. But I'm gonna get this one instead. I don't want some donuts. I'm gonna get the sugar one, even though I'm not supposed to. This one, I put in my thing already, in my cart already. They still don't have the friggin' bear claws, bro. They got Miss Patty up in Walmart. I think it was my first time seeing her stuff in here. I got her peach cobbler too. Too bad I don't eat no peach. I don't eat that stuff, so. That look good, but. We're putting that down. 2 plantains. Can't say $1.
Take time for.
Looking for the red.
Okay.
Yep. This has get a tall. Last time we getting them out of here. So there's another juicing again. I need ginger. I don't see ginger. Oh, speaking of ginger, wow. That's so spicy. Damn. don't know. Go to the farmer's market for that. They still have the scallion for over $1. I mean, I know it's not much, but when I'm used to buying for 97 cents, that's too much. Let me stop. But I don't need it, so I'm good. It's been raining all day. Like, I just got up to New York and it's still raining. It's nasty out here. But I'm about to go pee and get on this train because I'm hot. Oh, child, I'm hot. About to walk to this supermarket. The brackets is tighter than last time, than the first time. This is my first appointment after when I got my brackets. Today's April 28th. So, because autism month about to be finished, I did change my the wire. No, the thing. The first time I got it was blue, so I changed it to. I was gonna get the clear color one because I just remember it was autism month coming up when I got it. So I'm like, let me get blue, representing for my child. But it's about to be finishing like a couple days, so I got. It's clear. You can't see it. It's clear. But I'm hungry. I didn't eat nothing today. And like I said, she tightened it more. She tightened the wires. I tightened. She told me it was going to be more pressure when I came in. The wire is going to be more pressure today, more tightened today than the first time. So I was like, you wasn't lying when you said it was going to be more pressure, because it was twisting. I mean, I'm going to put in a little clip when I was recording, because I'm like, damn, I felt the pressure on my teeth for real. I pulled a lot of work. I didn't know how this was going to make my mouth feel. So that's another reason why I called out. That's the reason why I called out. But I'm supposed to go. I need to go. Should I go that way? I need to go to. Somebody called me. Oh, they calling me. Hold on. I left my glasses. Thank God I didn't reach far. I was still right outside the I'm used to these braces now. I love it. We're going to lot less. See what they got. This is cute. I love this color. And they got this one right here. And this one. This is a black one. See, my mama was here, man. I would have bought it in the store. It's things like these I be getting. Reminding me that reminding me that my mama is not here. What's this? Let me see this. Yeah. Look at this. They got kiwi and kojic. Watermelon, aromatic coconut sugar, lactate acid, pineapple oleic acid. I need this though. Look, it smells really good, both of them. That's up to 8 weeks. We got candles over here. This one don't smell that good. This one is actually good. This one is good too. This is a lemon verbena. This one smells good. This one smells good too. That one is light. It don't have no smell. Yeah, I didn't smell this one. Did I? No, I did not. Oh, this smells good. Beach towel. This smells really good. Okay, let's go. Oh, look at iron. Where's my iron? Oh, the iron is too much. More expensive than Walmart. You want to see everything. $24.99. Walmart iron is $10. Not bugging. I'm not doing it. Oh, green tea and jasmine. Oh, let me see. Might need this one though. Gotta do some green tea. How much is it? How much is in there? 20. Yeah. Ginger lemon. I get the ginger lemon up here. This is what we're getting. I put the sleep one back because green tea helped me go to sleep. So I'll give you a relaxing sleep. I only got 20 tea bags in there, so They got the green tea with lemon right here. They got the chai green tea right here. But I feel like, I don't know. It's $2.99 too, you know? Chai spices. I never had that before. How that's... Did I get this one? I'm confused. Oh, they got ginger in here? Oh, hold on. I didn't even see peppermint. Okay, I'm about to put one of these. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, I'm about to get the peppermint too. Because I love me some peppermint tea. Cute. I think it's a deodorant. Wait. Muscle balm. Oh, it's not. They cute. Oh, it's not deodorant. I thought it was deodorant. It's so cute. Yo, they got the... Yeah, I have this. I bought from Shein. This smells so good. Let me see if it smells the same thing. Ooh, this smells so good. I think this smells a little different from the one that I have. Or is it the same? It might smell lighter. I feel like this is lighter than the one that I have. This actually smells good. It's kind of light, but it have a scent to it. I came in this store that came in like, I don't know, probably last month. And got some boxes for Kimani. Look what I found. They got Junior's French vanilla stuff in here. They got Walmart. They got Cold Stone coffee. They got Walmart no sweetener thing. I might get this for $1.50. 50 packets. Should I get this? I could just drink the shoot. One packet equal 2 spoons of sugar. Or I could just drink the tea like that. They got a lot of tea bags in here too, but I think they say this one is not good. This brand, Bigelow, or whatever you want to call it. Oh, these are dates. Oh, okay. Oh, these are huge. I don't think I'm gonna like these. Maybe probably blend up with something else, but eating it by itself, no way. These are $5.99. I haven't seen the price. Oh, it's a big box though. 10. Okay. I'll just get this boxers and get out of this place. This is storming. So the other day when I was on oh, that water for 25 cents. I'm about to get me one. The other day when I was in, yeah, because I'm about to go to the store. I see this girl on that I follow on my Instagram.
If you did not grab a card or basket
Sorry.
from the store,
She oh, that sugar-free cookies. She went to this place called
we ask that you do not
Cups of Pasta. It's in Astoria too, so I'm about to go there and get something to eat because I ain't eat nothing all morning. All I had was lemon water. So I'm about to buy this water and go there and have that. Yeah, why not? They got bread in here too. Well, they got Hostess bread. That's the first time I've ever seen this brand of bread. It smells good.
amazing deals and special
It smells good. I think Hostess is like the snack, right? Like the what do you call that thing? Like the little cream inside, like a pastry with cream inside of it. I don't see it, but I don't know they got Hostess bread. Oh, there they go. See, look, like they really got Hostess bread, and it's $1.49. It smells good. It's classic white bread, but it smells good. Oh, here it is. Right here it is. The Hostess snack sorry. Well, and not the donut I was looking for. I was looking for the cream thing. But I don't see it. Well, I think y'all gotta know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go cash out. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. Oh, I'm gonna the cup. Wow. Cause my cup, did it break? I think it did. Yeah, it broke. But no, I'm gonna get it back from Dollar Tree. I'm not buying it here. So we're in Buffalo Wild Wings, trying the sweet chili crisp wings. It's BOGO price. See the BOGO price? 50% off. So I got 12 wings. And she charged it for 6 months. I'll be confused with them prices. I don't know how it's still $16 and change. I forgot all about the Caribbean jerk. Oh my god. I don't want to keep her too long, have her waiting too long, so I was decided what size, what sauce I wanted. I was deciding what sauce I wanted other than the sweet chili because I was getting 6 and 6. You gotta show me 20. I don't want 20 rings, girl. Hold on. I said 10. But I don't know. So I got I forgot all about Caribbean jerk. I had that in so long. So I got the sweet chili crips and the honey barbecue. I got fries home. I ain't buying no fries. I have the wedges at home. I'm just gonna do that when I put it in the air fryer when I get home. Yeah, I'm going to that place Friday because when I get off work Friday, it's literally it was 4 minutes from the Dollar General when I was in there. Let me see how far it is. 4 minutes away. Yeah, so when I come off the train on Friday, I'm gonna come off down that side and then I'm gonna walk 4 minutes away. I see the cup of pasta is $10 and if they have wings, I'm gonna get some wings with it. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I get it by myself. That's for two right now. I need to eat. And I'm gonna go to the gym too. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna probably post it tomorrow. The February vlog. I have to post this vlog before April finish. You got it. You got it. Let's try it. I'm really about to take. Let's go. It's so hard to open. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I saw a place up there called Full Astoria. I never tried it before. I never tried Full before, but because I don't know, I'm gonna like it to be honest. So I leave stuff alone that I know I might not like. Oh, they got parsley for. Oh, they got parsley for $1. Carrot. Get a carrot. Cause I want to put some. Get a bag of carrots. And I think I think I wanted to lettuce. Well, I got no blueberry, no strawberry for $1 today. I'm about to come back another day. I need lettuce. Oh, the lettuce is $1.99 right here. I'm about to get it. I need it. The big one. It's a big ass one. I think that's all I'm gonna get. I gotta get my salad. Buy this and go home. I'm tired of walking around. Tired. Hey y'all, today's April 30th, the last of the month, and I'm actually uploading I'm exporting the February vlog right now because I'm like, I need to put up this vlog I don't want to do it tomorrow because tomorrow's May 1st. I just want to put it up and get it out the way. And I love the back part of the pin, so I couldn't wear my pin today, but my autism pin I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm showing you what I'm eating right now. My smoothie and yeah, the smoothie. This is apple, strawberry, banana, and not something else. I think was it peach? No, pear. But yeah, well this morning I had oatmeal for breakfast. I just want it in the microwave. Let me eat it before it get hard because I don't like it hard. Let's see how it tastes. Croissant warmed up is the best though. Like I love a croissant that's warmed up. Oh, it's so moist and soft and it tastes so different from it not being warmed up. It tastes like I wouldn't have double up too much. It's a little hot. My feet are a little numb. I got cream inside. And now I'm gonna eat it so dry. I could just eat it like this. Oh, that's really good. Alright. This is the end of the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.